Welcome back to phase 2 of the Green Parrot. Befriending, collaborating with your inner critic. We are starting with the same warm-up nervous system resetting sequence. So if you did phase 1, you already know this, and you might want to move just a little bit faster. Again, increase the range of motion from down dog, high plank, up dog prep, hips to heel or butt to heels, hips high, back to down dog. So the repetition is helping us to increase our range of motion, boost, grow, flexibility, mobility. And you're also moving from having to think about it to letting your body flow. Again, the idea here being we're getting out of our head, anchoring in our bodies, starting to metabolize the stories, thoughts, feelings, emotions that our inner critic is seemingly unhelpfully bringing up. 4 more. Really flow through here. Start to follow your breath. Sink into your breath. Our breath is the most effective, accessible medicine that we have. Last one. Hold it here. The Y. Shift forward. Take your feet again wide to the edges or just off your yoga mat. W. Tap your knees down. So this is a very, like all the moves in this workout, this is very advanced. You might want to stay here or check this out. If you want to grow the move, alternating leg lift. Ho-ho! Now we can really see that W, yes? So your butt's going to want to pop up. Keep shifting your body weight forward, chest, shoulders, maybe a little bit past your wrists. Again, using the long lever of our legs to get deeper. Obliques, lower abdominals. Can we do 4 sets? Yes, we can. As we begin to meditate on the why. So the why is like, why, right? Why are you bringing this story up? You know, what's the motivation? What's the intention? Can we get to that place where you really wanted to help me? Why? Why did you want to help me? Why did you feel like I needed help? Flipping it over for the H. So again, as we come down that Booker block between thighs and forearms, alternating push. So we have an isometric hold for our upper abdominals here, which is really nice. And don't worry, we won't be here too long because this can, again, put pressure on the head and neck. Once again, I will introduce a variation so you can get deeper. 4 more. Just 4 total. What? All right, as you hold it here, extend your right leg. We go down and up. Take your time. Move with deliberation, intention, and purpose. You will get better results that way, and guaranteed, I promise you, your thoughts will follow, right? As we start to flow in our bodies, our thoughts will break out of those rigid patterns and start to flow as well. Just 2 more. Last one. Switch it, same thing, other side. So now, check this out. You need to relax your upper body. Totally cool, right? If you are feeling too much pressure in your head and neck, please do that. Use your breath here. See how long and strong you can get your leg. I think that it also always helps to build confidence, you know, physical confidence in our bodies that does directly translate into mental confidence as well. And again, it just translates, right? You don't have to think about it. You don't have to know about it. Just trust that it's happening. Last one. Oh, why, oh, why? Again, imaginations, y'all. So the legs are up. You can take a V, you can take a straddle, block or book overhead, exhale, push through. So we're using that blocker book to make the motion more dynamic. 2, pulse it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, single. So I'm imagining, right, the torso and then my legs are forming a Y. You can see it. Yes, you can see it. All right, y'all. So sets of 5. Hold it up and pulse. 5, 4, 3. Really push. Singles. Let's go. 2 more times. What's your inner critic's why? What's underneath the story that she's telling you? Shine a light. Pulse it out on that deep, dark, hidden place inside you. You know, because she's really almost always trying to remind you of something that you have forgotten how to remember, a part of yourself you forgot, you left out in order to fit in. Hold it here. Yes. 3, 2, and 1. That is the why. So once again, you might repeat that if that's where you're at right now. You might be done for now. I highly suggest child's pose, down dog, happy baby, a little bit of a transition if you're not moving into the 3rd phase of this workout with me right now. If you are, hydrate, right? Breath, hydration, getting the blood flowing, super effective, accessible medicine.